Good morning, students. Happy morning to all. How are you all, cuties? I hope you all are doing good and safe at home. You all are enjoying your Corona holidays, right? I wish everyone will be safe at home. Okay, soon we will meet. Okay, meet in our school. Today, Tuesday. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? If yes, let's start a session. Okay, dears? I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Let's recall what we studied yesterday's class. Last class we see about transports, right? Transports. What are the transports we see in the last class? Horse cart, cycle, motorbike, scooter, auto rickshaw, tractor, jeep, van, car, bus, train, helicopter, lorry, aeroplane, ship. Yes. Next we see about toys, right? What are the toys we see yesterday? Lorry, ball, jeep, joker, doll, chine chucker, piano, dice, air balloon, building block, car, push and pull. Next we see the parts of our body. Head, forehead, ear, nose, lip, face, neck, shoulder, arm, hand, chest, belly, wrist, finger, thigh, knee, shin. This is a shin. Last one is foot. Yes, dears. So today we are going to see about household articles. These are the articles we found in our house. These are the things we use in our daily life in our house. What are the things we use in our daily life? These are the household essential things we should have in our houses, right? First one, table. What is this? Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. T-A-B-L-E. Table. What is this? This is a chair. We use it to sit in a chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Sofa. What is this? This one is a sofa. S-O-F-A. Sofa. It is very comfortable to sit. It is mainly made up of a soft material, so it is very soft to sit. It is sofa. S-O-F-A. Sofa. Next one, cot. C-O-T. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Next one, television. What is this? Television. Everyone have television in our house, right? This is a television. T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N. Television. 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 This one is a iron box. What is this? This is a iron box. IRON. Iron box. 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 Iron box. IRON. Iron box. 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 Iron box. And this is a phone. What is this? This is a phone. 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 This is a washing machine. What is this? This is a washing machine. Let me read the spelling. WASHING. Washing. Machine. 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 Washing machine. WASHING. Washing machine. 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 Washing machine. Washing machine. Okay. There is a gap between these two. Washing machine. This is a machine used for a washing of clothes. Okay. Next one. Fan. This is a fan. 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 This is a table fan because it has a stand at the bottom, so it is a table fan. TABLE. Table. Fan. 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 Table fan. TABLE. Table. Fan. 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 Table fan. Next one. This is a mobile phone. What is this? This is a mobile phone. MOBILE. Mobile. Phone. 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 Mobile phone. MOBILE. Mobile phone. 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 Mobile phone. Next one. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. We call it as fridge. In our house, we call it as fridge, right? This is a refrigerator. 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 This is a dining table. What is this? Dining table. The table we have our food. Okay, it's called dining table. DINNING. Dining table. 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 Dining table. DINNING. Dining table. 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 Dining table. Next one. It is a mirror. To see our face, we see the mirror, right? This is a mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. M-I-R-R-O-R, mirror. This is a comb. C-O-M-B, comb. C-O-M-B, comb. Radio. R-A-D-I-O, radio. R-A-D-I-O, radio. Mixer. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. So the first one is, what are the household articles we see? Table. Chair. Sofa. Cot. Television. Iron box. Phone. Washing machine. Fan. Table fan. Mobile phone. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Dining table. Dining table. Mirror. Comb. Radio. Mixer. Okay, children, these are the household articles. Next one, let's see the tools we use in our daily life. These are the tools we use in our daily life. Tools. What are the tools here? First one, saw. This is a saw. S-A-W, saw. S-A-W. S-A-W, saw. This is a saw. S-A-W. Next one, this one is a scissor. This one is scissors. We use in our daily life. This is a scissor. To cut a paper or clothes or vegetables, we use scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Repeat with me, chutties. What is this? This is a scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. This is a filers. What is this? Filers. P-L-I-E-R-S, pliers. P-L-I-E-R-S, pliers. Axe. This is an axe. A-X-E, axe. A-X-E, axe. Hammer. What is this? This is a hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Screwdriver. Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W, screw. Drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. Screwdriver. SCREW, screw drive. DRIVE, drive, screw drive. This is a knife. KNIFE, knife. K is silent here, so we have to pronounce it as knife. What is this? This is a knife. KNIFE, knife. KNIFE, knife. But we have to pronounce NIFE. Okay. This is a knife. Okay. What is this? This is an opener. Bottle opener, right? This is a bottle opener. 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 This one is a spanner. 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 What are the tools? First one, saw. Scissors. Pliers. Axe. Hammer. Screwdriver. Knife. Opener. Spanner. Okay, children. Next one. Let's see about clothes. Okay. Here are the names of the clothes we used in our daily life. Clothes. What are the clothes? First one, coat. What is this? It is a coat. COAT, coat. COAT, coat. Shirt. SHIRT, shirt. SHIRT, shirt. Shorts. What is this? Shorts. SHORTS, shorts. This one is a short. See the trouser. It is a long one. Okay, it is called trousers. Shorts is a very little one. Okay, shorts. SHORTS, shorts. T-shirt. T-SHIRT, shirt. T-shirt. This is a shirt. Here comes a T-shirt. T-SHIRT, shirt. T-shirt. Vest. VEST, vest. VEST, vest. Frock. FROCK, frock. FROCK, frock. Trousers. TROUSERS, trousers. TROUSERS, trousers. Saree. Your mom used to wear saree, right? Saree or churidar. Saree. SAREE, saree. SAREE, saree. Churidar. SHURIDAR, churidar. SHURIDAR, churidar. Skirt. SKIRT, skirt. tie. D-I-E, die. D-I-E, tie. Dhoti. D-H-O-T-I, dhoti. D-H-O-T-I, dhoti. Coat. What is this? First one is a coat. Shirt. Shorts. T-shirt. Vest. Frock. Trousers. Sari. Churidar. Skirt. Tie. Dhoti. Next one, let's see the food items here. Okay, what are the foods you eat in your house? Here are some of the example of food we eat in our daily life. Okay dears, first one, meals. Meals consists of many main dishes and side dishes is a meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. Is it clear? Meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. What is this? This one is a idli. This is a morning breakfast, right? How many have you eat idli? Idli. I-D-L-I, idli. I-D-L-I, idli. Next one, dosa. What is this? Dosa. D-O-S-A, dosa. D-O-S-A, dosa. Next one, uppuma. What is this? Uppuma. My dear children, do you like uppuma? Yes. Let's see the spelling. U-P-P-U-M-A, uppuma. U-P-P-U-M-A, uppuma. Next one, puri. What is this? Puri. P-U-R-I, puri. Next one, vada. V-A-D-A, vada. V-A-D-A, vada. Idiyappam. I-D-I-Y-A-P-P-A-M, idiyappam. I-D-I-Y-A-P-P-A-M, idiyappam. And the last one is parota. Last one is parota. P-A-R-O-T-T-A, parota. P-A-R-O-T-T-A, parota. What are the food items we see? Meals, idli, dosa, uppuma, puri, vada, idiyappam, parota. Okay children, today your assignment is you have to voice message us what are the household articles which is used in your home. Okay, what are the things which is used in your home? Okay, voice message should be like household articles. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair. Sofa, S-O-F-A, sofa. Cot, C-O-T, cot. Television, T-E-L-E-V-I-S-I-O-N, television. Iron box, IRON, iron box, BOX, box. Okay, like this you have to send any 8 household articles. Okay, you have to voice messages any 8 household articles which is used in your house. Okay dears, you have to send in today itself. Okay, today itself you have to send us the what are the household articles which are used in your house. Okay, in your house. Okay children, students, those who are not paying your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately as soon as possible. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day.